Hi everyone, my name is Amik and I am an engineering manager on the WhatsApp team at Meta. Welcome to the first developer breakout session of Conversations. As you heard in the keynote, we are excited to launch the new WhatsApp business platform to direct developers for the first time. Businesses all over the world use WhatsApp to communicate with their customers. And now, with the Cloud API on WhatsApp business platform, you can directly integrate your platform or your application with WhatsApp. To kick off, we'll hear from a developer who used the new platform during our beta. Then, we'll host a code along so you can onboard onto the platform and see how easy it is to send test messages in just a matter of minutes. Now, let's hear from one of the early adopters of the platform.
Hi, my name is Jan. I'm the founder of ChatClass, a startup working in Brazil, Germany, and the US. We use the WhatsApp business platform to build a conversational learning system for companies, schools, and learners. We believe everybody needs access to quality education, so it was a natural choice for us to build our educational chatbot on WhatsApp, because the app has such a wide reach here in Brazil. I built the first version of our bot with a free sandbox phone number and test messaging. Once we were going to scale, it was very easy to track message delivery and engagement rates all in one place. With the WhatsApp business platform, we don't have to worry about hosting costs, DevOps, and scalability. We can focus our engineering team purely on building out more innovative learning experiences for our learners. So I'm super excited now to continue working on the WhatsApp business platform and build out personalized learning at scale with ChatClass.
Thanks, Jan. It's great to hear how ChatClass used the WhatsApp business platform to build a chatbot on WhatsApp. Now, let's get you all onboarded so you can send and receive your first message with the WhatsApp business platform. My name is Christian, and I'm an engineering manager on the WhatsApp team at Meta. The team has been really hard at work to make it easy for you to get started. To kick off, you'll need access to your computer and a mobile device. Let's jump into the demo now. As with all Meta Graph APIs, you need a developer app. Let's create a new one. You need to select the business type and add some basic app details, like your business name and contact email. Here, just ask me for my password again. The next step is to add the WhatsApp product, which helps streamline configuration for you. To use the WhatsApp API, your app needs to be associated with a business. We can create a new business automatically for you, but if you already have an existing business associated with your account, you can also choose to select that here instead. For this demo, I'll have a new business created for me. This takes a few seconds as we connect all the components in the backend. After setup is complete, you will have an app that is linked to a business, and we have created a test number for that business. Well, what are test numbers? They are a resource for you to get you started quickly. You can use test numbers to try out the API and start building your app quickly. You can send messages to up to 5 phone numbers that you own with test numbers. After setup, we land you in this Getting Started page, which provides some basic developer tools to get you started. Here's your temporary access token and some tools to send you your first message. Now, let's try using a test number to send our first test message. I'll add a new destination number, which I'll need to verify with an OTP code. Here I enter the number. Now let me switch over to the WhatsApp consumer client to grab that OTP code. I'll copy and paste it back into the module here. And there we go. Now you can copy and paste this curl command to send a basic hello world template, or just simply click the send message button here. Let's do that now, and voila! We've sent our first message in less than 2 minutes. Now, let's set up webhooks to process incoming messages and connect it all together with a sample service to demonstrate a working chatbot. Webhooks are how you receive incoming messages and other notifications so you can respond to them. To configure webhooks, you can create a custom webhook URL or use services that help you set up an endpoint. I happen to have my webhook server running in the hosted service Glitch with some simple application logic. You can see that right here. It simply receives a message and echoes it right back. Now, let me quickly copy over my auth token to get it working with this app. And while I'm here, I'll copy the webhook URL so I can connect it back to my app. Let's navigate back to the webhook configuration, and I'll paste my glitch webhook URL right there. And here we go, opening up the configuration. I paste it. And as part of the webhook setup, you also need to pass in a verified token, which you fill in here. It's a variable your webhook server backend should validate on setup as a security measure. And in this case, we expect the verified token to be Blue Panda. You'll also want to make sure to subscribe to the events that you're interested in. Now, in our case, we're only interested in messages for now, but you can subscribe to all sorts of other things like read receipts. Now that it's all connected, let's see if this actually works. I go back to my WhatsApp client, send a message, wait for it, and ta-da, we get the ACK. How cool is that? We built a working chatbot in under 4 minutes. The last step is to add your own number so you can take your app to production. Since the onboarding flow created a new business for me, I need to fill in a few business details before I can add my own number. That helps us fully set up your account. Here I fill in the legal business name, the country, the business website, as well as the business category. All right, here's the business category. Now, I follow the steps to verify my number that I want to add. And again, I'll need to enter an OTP code that was sent to me. Here I enter the OTP code. Sometimes it can take a few seconds to process here. All right, and now that we've finished adding this production number, let's use it to send a test message. We can see this newly added number is selected from the drop-down menu here. Note that since this is a production number, you can send messages to any number. I'll enter the destination number, hit the send button, and boom, there you have it. Sent a test message from a production phone number. Let's also demonstrate the chatbot working with this production number. We enter a message, hit enter. There you go, an ACK from the production phone number. These are the basic steps needed to get you up and running developing on the WhatsApp business platform.
Thanks, Christian, for walking us through the onboarding process to integrate with the WhatsApp business platform. We have a lot of developer resources to help you get started, including documentation, support, developer community, and much more. We can't wait to see what you build. Thank you.